Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to edit your profile on the Gaia GPS application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. Now tap on the settings option down below, which is the last option. After that, tap on edit profile. Here, as you can see, you can tap on the profile picture icon at the top and select a picture from your gallery and set it as your profile picture. You can change your name and tell everyone about yourself. So there is this bio section. You can also add your location and your most preferred activities, such as hiking, snow, overland, off-road, biking, professional, scientific, hunting, fishing, and other activities can be found here at the last section. So if you are done with typing in and adding all these information, all you have to do is clicking on the done button in the upper right corner of the screen, thereby updating and saving all these details. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, consider subscribing and see you in the next video. Bye bye.